Hey everybody, my name's David. I'm the production manager here at Millworks. We're here at our manufacturing facility. We're doing a final walkthrough on project 24050. Everything we do is in-house. Everything is custom tailored to our clients' needs, from the interiors of the cabinets to the drawers to the doors, all the mechanisms, all the cool gadgets. So this is the pantry to the kitchen we're doing. Our client specified she wanted a good amount of interior space and interior drawers. As you can see, everything has been custom tailored to her liking. Soft close drawers, soft close doors. Here at Millworks, we do everything in-house from A to Z. Everything is customizable. The only things that limit you with us are funds and physics.